Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram comments section clean and positive, today's tutorial is just for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage keywords in the comments filter on the Instagram app for PC, using the latest update. Whether you want to block spam, filter out negativity, or just have more control over your content, these steps will help you take charge. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a list of icons. Find the one labeled More and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Settings from this menu. You'll be taken to a new page with different settings categories. Look for the section called Hidden Words. This is where Instagram lets you filter out certain words, phrases, or even emojis from your comments. Click into Hidden Words. Now, you'll see an option called Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a box where you can add or remove any keywords you want Instagram to filter out from your comments. Type in the words or phrases you want to block, separating each one with a comma. If you want to remove a keyword, simply delete it from the list. Once you're happy with your list, scroll down and click the Submit button to save your changes. That's it. Instagram will now automatically filter out any comments containing those keywords, helping you maintain a more positive and welcoming community on your posts. Managing your comment filters is a simple but powerful way to take control of your Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.